Hey hungry people! Today we'll be making some Cuffin seasoned chili. If you're trying to stay warm this winter, stay tuned.
For real, Mommy, it tastes so good.
On medium-high heat, I'm adding some oil to the pan. I'm using ground turkey instead of ground beef. I find that it's a bit healthier this way, and ground beef is a little bit heavy on my stomach. We're gonna cook the meat until it's done. When it's done, we'll drain the water and add our seasonings. You're gonna add in your favorite chili powder. Mine happens to be McCormick. Then you're gonna add the essential seasonings: garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and I'm also gonna add a pinch of cinnamon. This is gonna add a different taste, but trust me, you won't be sorry. Oh yeah, add some cumin too. To the mix, we'll add some peppers and onions. Then you can add some diced jalapeños. Remember, the more seeds that you put in your mix, the spicier it'll be. I'm using a can of diced fire roasted tomatoes. This is gonna add a savory taste to the chili. Listen, hungry people, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my page. Next, I'll be adding 2 cups of boned beef broth. What a tongue twister. But yeah, I'm adding 2 cups of that. Usually I would add 2 cups of beef broth, but this is what I had in my cabinet. Beans, good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you know the rest. You're gonna let this simmer for about an hour. So I didn't use any type of salt when I seasoned it. I wanted to taste it at the end so I can see how much salt I wanted to add. I didn't want it to be too salty or too bland, so I usually save that part for last. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe. I put my chili over a cornbread waffle. If you guys want a waffle recipe, I have a few, so stay tuned. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.